Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to explore on how to integrate Jira with GitHub. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to sign into your account using your credentials. And if this is your first time here on GitHub, you might want to click on the create an account button here. Now, basically, you have two options. You can start for a free enterprise trial or sign up for a regular GitHub. Now, if you click on the free enterprise trial, what will happen is you're given an option to choose the enterprise cloud and enterprise server, but you need to ask for a demo first before you sign in for a commitment. So right now, just go to the regular account here in GitHub. And once you have done that, I need you to log into your Jira account as well. Now, integrating Jira with GitHub can enhance your development workflow by connecting your project management and issue tracking with Jira with your code repositories in GitHub. All right. Now, it's very straightforward and easy. All you're gonna do from the interface here, you need to click on the Find New Apps, Manage Apps, App Request here on the left side of your dashboard. Click on Find New Apps, and also you might want to click on the upper right. You also have that option to click on Explore More Apps, so you have two ways to do it. And from here, obviously, all you're gonna do is type in GitHub. Now, there are 54 results, and all you're gonna do is GitHub integration for Jira. Click on that. It's very straightforward and easy. Now from here, all you're gonna do is click on the try it free option at the very top. That's the yellow button right here. And then once you've done that, as you can see, you have like a start free trial, but there's an $8 per month after the 30-day generous free trial. But from here, you can write data to the host application, read data from the host application, and a lot more. Okay, and of course, all you're gonna do is click on start free trial. Now, the next option that we have in mind is using Zapier. We have a separate video on how to connect, intensive look on how to connect GitHub to Jira. But all you're gonna do, if you happen to have an account here, as you can see, you can create integrations between GitHub and Jira Software Cloud to automate any workflow, and you have all of these endless possibilities. Now, do you see that orange button right here? Click on that, and what will happen is you would be directly automated to the dashboard, wherein all you're gonna do is just two simple clicks. We need to create the Zap. Now, the Zap is for the GitHub, and the trigger is gonna be the GitHub. You can also title this one, the Zap right here. And after that, once you turn on your Zap, you can sit back, relax, and let Zapier do the work for you. Now, the third option that you can use is in a platform called Unito. From here, you can integrate GitHub with Jira very easily. You can sync updates between GitHub and Jira with Unito. And all you're gonna do is click on the try it free button right here, because I'm using this as well. If you don't have an account on Zapier and you happen to have an account in Unito, this is the perfect platform for you. Click on the try it free. Just wait for a few seconds. And from here, you can just fill out the information, or simply click on continue with Google, or if you have an account in Asana, Google Sheets, or Trello, that's gonna be a lot easier. Now, if by any chance you're having problems automating any apps within your Jira account, you might want to go to the Atlassian support right here. It's very helpful, because I've encountered that in the past. I'm having problems connecting or integrating my GitHub and Jira, and one of the support agents is very responsive and helpful. And for you to be able to contact their support is you simply need to log in. And that's a wrap for today's video. Remember, by setting up these integrations between Jira and GitHub, you can automate repetitive tasks, streamline communication between teams, and ensure a seamless collaboration between your project management and software development processes. See you in the next video.